What do you think AI is missing today?
I feel that AI doesn't have everything that a human could have.
Which value has changed you the most?
I feel like kindness. It's really important to be kind.
If AI could adopt one human virtue, which should it be?
It could be more emotions.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Rosanna. I am 14 years old. I'm Egyptian. And yeah, what else?
Rosanna, you said.
Rosanna.
Rosanna.
Yeah.
Sorry. Rosanna, can you share a moment where someone deeply impacted your life?
So actually, a lot of people, not only one. Every day we see a person, a stranger that gives you a thing that I don't know, it changes your life, not actually impact it. It changes and it makes it more for example, once I was I felt that I just don't want to be here. Exams and these days, and then my teacher was like, you could do it, you could do it, you can.
People pushing you for something.
And it was a substitution teacher. She wasn't really my teacher. She was like, you could do it, it's okay. Yeah, she was like, it's okay. Although she was like, it's okay. Even if you don't know how to do it, it's okay, you could do it. Yeah, it's no big deal. Even if you didn't get it right, if you didn't get it wrong, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rosanna, what was the kindest thing a stranger has ever done for you?
Giving me a lesson about their life. For example, an old lady, my grandma actually, she told me that it's the world is not only about friends, having friends. Even if you don't have it right, it's okay, because you have to believe in yourself that it's not only about friends. If you're good, if you're amazing, if you're doing the right thing, it's okay, you're perfect. Yeah.
All right. What do you think AI is missing today?
So actually, I don't know, but I feel that AI doesn't have everything that a human could have. It doesn't have emotion, doesn't have anything. AI has to more give you encourages to yourself, because I feel when I'm talking to for example ChatGPT, it's just giving me what I want to listen. It's not giving me actually what is true. For example, if I tell them what is better for creams, for example, it will tell me, oh, if you like this cream, yeah, go get it, but it won't tell me actually what
if it is good or not.
Yeah, it will just gonna yeah, if you like it, then okay. It won't actually give me what I want. It will give me what I want to listen. It won't give me the truth behind all of these.
Which value has changed you the most, and why?
I feel that kindness, it's really important to be kind, even if the person is going through the person in front of you are going through stuff in their life. Kindness will change everything.
If AI could adopt one human virtue, which should it be?
It could be more emotions, just to give the human human being just I don't know, just to make the AI feel more like a person, a human being, just to make it,
What is a challenge that you overcame because someone stood beside you?
It's of course studying and learning. It's something I don't know why we do it, but because of the push and what everyone told me, it's really important. This is why I overcome it and I actually do it, because I know the future is really important. So we have to learn and study, and yeah.
Thank you, Rosanna.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us today.
I had a fun time. Thank you.